So hi and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I am Dr. Srihari Kulkarni, an internal medicine resident working in Bangalore. So today I thought it would be a very sunny day, or at least not so overcast and cloudy and drizzling. I thought I would be able to get some nice pictures of some of the birds in and around this Rachinalli lake. So I'm at Rachinalli lake now, but this has turned out to be a very gloomy, moody kind of a weather, and it's been drizzling all the while. So there's absolutely no one again, as with most of my videos. I wonder, it's so scary that I don't know if people are actually scared of me, or if I am scared of people, or if I come at the wrong time, or what it is. But apparently there's nobody there, absolutely no one anywhere around this lake. And this lake and a couple of other lakes in Jakkur area is known for some of the migratory birds, especially during September-October season. So if you come a little early, probably like in July, August, you will get some of the early birds, and that looks good. You can have a nice bird watching session. So what I've realized so far is, in gloomy weathers like this, picking up yellows and oranges is quite amazing, and those colors really pop. So my aim for today is to get, I don't think I'll be able to get a lot of bird pictures, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get a lot of pictures of these JCBs. As you can see, I think that's a pelican there. No, that's not a pelican, probably a crane. I'll have to look at what bird that is. But my aim for today is to take pictures of only these JCBs and see how those are. I'm not gonna talk much now. I'll just let you guys enjoy the weather and enjoy the walk. In case if I find something, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, just sit back and relax and enjoy the relaxing music while you can get into ease with the nature. ಬರ ನಿಂದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಣ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಬ್ರನ್ನ So most of the times with bird photography, the problem is you need to have a lot of patience, and this is definitely not the weather to shoot birds in. Of course you can, but I would not recommend coming in this weather to shoot, because first it is raining, and second it is so gloomy that you would want to have a cup of chai and pakoras and just sleep at home. And third, you need to wait for a long time for birds to actually come to your spot, because as soon as you enter there, the birds will just fly away. So you need to stay put at one place and just wait. Patience is the name of the game there when you are doing bird photography. So it's quite difficult to do in this weather with the kind of preparation I've come in. I've literally come in my t-shirt and shorts and pants and just the camera and the camera bag. I've not even got anything extra for the camera bag to be covered in. So if it rains heavily, I have no idea what I'll do. See, again today my goal is to bring out the oranges and the yellows and the pinks of nature. See, these colors really pop. So if you guys like my video so far, and if you think that oranges and yellows are coming up really well, then hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. If you're watching it until here, it's super cool. And if you feel that I've missed something on the way, maybe you noticed something in the video and I forgot, then you mention that in the comments. Okay, this is a really good set of oranges and yellows, so I think I can take a good photo of this also. Also, if you guys are from this area and you've visited this park before but you've not seen this park in this kind of a weather, you will be really amazed at how this park feels when you come. Look at this road. I don't think the camera or the video is doing justice to what you can actually see here, but it's beautiful. See, again the same problem with these birds. The moment they hear a voice, a new person or some object walking in, these will just run away. They don't even take a chance. should have counted for this. It started pouring heavily now. As you can see there, maybe from the sound also, it's raining like anything. I hope this settles down in a while because there's no shade at all. Maybe I'm gonna head there and sit in that auto or something. I'll see what I can do.
Mobile?
Huh? The camera. It's pouring heavily and I just sat inside this auto. They were generous enough to let me sit in the auto and very helpful people. మీకు పని చేస్తారా లేదా వెళ్తారా? అవునా, సరే సరే వస్తాను నేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. It's almost been an hour and we were stuck in that auto for 1 hour. I met some really nice people. They are apparently the people who have been given contract to develop the lake. I mean, those workers from that contract. Very friendly people. See, when you meet people like these, you realize how vast the world is. I mean, I've never met them before and I'm probably never going to meet them again. But we had that moment there. We just spoke about random stuff, absolutely random stuff. It's kind of nice. So what an amazing day. Initially I came here to get some good bird photos, but I ended up taking a lot of photos of all the nature and stuff, met new people, amazing people, and what a wholesome day. So as this walk comes to an end, I would want to give you a message that it's always the small things that matter in life. Don't look at the life thinking about what you have to do tomorrow, what you have to do the day after. Just live in that moment. When I was stuck in the rain for 1 hour, I couldn't do anything else. I could not even open my phone. It was pouring down so heavily that I could hardly pick it out once and then just to look at the time and put it back. So at that moment I was just talking to the people around me. So I think what I learned from this experience is that you need to enjoy that particular moment when you are there in that moment, instead of looking at what others do and what I have been missing and all of that. And if you have an adventure soul, there's no age limit, there's no time limit. You can go at whatever age and whatever time you want, but make sure you're having your safety precautions set so that you don't end up in trouble. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video and going to have a proper breakfast now. It's very cold outside, so a proper chai and pakoda would be really amazing. And if you guys like this content, you know what to do. And I'll meet you guys in the next one. I am Dr. Srihari Kulkarni, an internal medicine resident working in Bangalore. Bye.